Hello friends, today in this slide I just describe brief information how to get information about protein ligand interaction. So suppose this is a complex with a protein ligand interaction, and after that you just open in a PyMol, just go to sequence and you will get information. These are the amino acids which are the protein itself, and in the last or in maybe the first one you will get information that this is the ligand. So here these are the ligand and it shows here. Okay, now I would like to make interaction with this ligand with a protein. So the best way, just select this one, any selected portion, just go for action, preset and ball and stick. So now it looks in a different fashion. Okay, after that you just select ligand and select some closer one. Randomly you just select some closer one, and after that selection, action, and you go to zoom. Okay, now you are just close to the ligand and get better and brief information about the ligand protein interaction. Okay, again you just select the ligand, selected, action, find, polar contacts, and after that you just go to two other atom in object. Okay, so with this you will get information that the ligand interact with which amino acid. Okay, so suppose this ligand interact with this amino acid, this one, this one, this one, that one. After that selection of these amino acid, you also select the ligand itself. After that you just go for selected section, action, and make copy to object. Now you deselect the protein. Okay, here you will get information that the ligand interact with which amino acid. In a better view, if you would like, just select this one, the amino acid. In the selected portion you just hide everything and show as a stick. Now you will get easy to information the ligand bind with which amino acid by hydrogen bonding. So this is the get information about the protein and ligand interaction. After that, for a better presentation, you just go to background, make a white background, just wheel on, and if you would like to get a measurement, just go to wizard, get measurement, and you just select this one, 2.1 angstrom, this one, 2.1 angstrom, this one with this one 2.1 angstrom, this one with this one 1.8 angstrom, this one with this one 2.7 angstrom, and this one 2.7 angstrom. Usually less than 3 angstrom are good to make a tight interaction. So with this slide I hope you will get easy to get information about the protein ligand interaction through hydrogen bonding.